Hello fitness enthusiasts. Today we're focusing on the chest fly, a fantastic exercise for sculpting and strengthening the chest muscles. Stick around as we guide you through the proper form step by step. Start by selecting a pair of dumbbells that match your fitness level. Lie down on a flat bench with a dumbbell in each hand, arms fully extended above your chest. Position your feet flat on the ground, shoulder width apart. Engage your core and ensure your back is firmly pressed against the bench. This provides stability throughout the exercise. Take a deep breath and with a slight bend in your elbows, lower the dumbbells out to the sides in a wide arc. Open your arms until they are at chest level or slightly below, feeling a stretch in your chest muscles. Exhale as you bring the dumbbells back up to the starting position, squeezing your chest muscles at the top of the movement. Keep a slight bend in your elbows throughout to protect your joints. Perform the exercise with controlled, deliberate movements. Focus on the quality of each repetition rather than speed. This ensures you're targeting the chest muscles effectively. There you have it, the chest fly, a great exercise for building a strong, well-defined chest. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep flying and stay fit.